Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vartika and today I am up with a huge Nykaa haul. So, most of us know that recently there was the annual Pink Friday sale that is hosted by Nykaa every year, and there are lots of discounts and amazing deals that we get during that period of time when there is this Pink Friday sale. So yeah, this year I thought of taking advantage of this sale because I really wanted to buy a lot of things because I did not really had to have a lot of stuff. I had to buy makeup, I had to buy skincare, hair care, and a lot of stuff. So finally, all of my stuff has arrived. I had bought approximately 40 things. So hence, it took so much of time for everything to finally come, and now that it's here, I am up with this haul. I hope you people enjoy this video. If you want to know what all I bought, then let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to be starting with the makeup category. So the first thing which would like to show you all in this category is this foundation that I bought for myself. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. So this is my very first foundation. So far I'd always been using my mom's foundations, but finally I got my own foundation, and I've heard great reviews about it, so I'm very excited to use this. Next I have this concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. I have not really used a lot of concealer so far because first of all, I never did a lot of heavy glam, and other than that, I did not really have a lot of things to hide in my face. So, but now I would really like to experiment makeup, so I think I need a concealer as well. Next, I would like to show you this blush duo. This is by Nykaa. This is the Get Cheeky blush in the shade Malibu Barbie. Yes, that's it. That's right. I really liked this blush when I saw this online. It has these beautiful colors. One is a pink shade, but it's not like a very rosy pink. It's a little towards the fruity peaches side, and this one is more towards the reddish and peaches side. So if you want to go towards peach tones or maybe a little sunburnt look, so this is pretty good. I am very excited to use this as well. Next, let me show you my lip products. So this is the first thing that I would like to show. This is the MAC lipstick, MAC mini lipstick. This is in the shade Velvet Teddy. This is a matte lipstick. I found this on Nykaa and I fell in love with this. Literally, just look how cute this is. And see, it's like so cute and so small. I really like the shade. It is pretty good and it suits very well on my skin. Yeah. This is the shade. And I have used this a couple of times now and I really fell in love with this lipstick. Next is this Masaba by Nykaa. Oh my god. This is in the shade Femme Fatale. I love red lipsticks. I literally am in love with red lipsticks. So I was looking for so many red lipsticks, and originally I had planned to buy Ruby Woo from MAC, but there's this thing that I'm really attracted towards the packaging of products. So a lot of times it happens that my decisions for buying a product is decided by the packaging. So I fell in love with the packaging of the Masaba collection by Nykaa. So I found this lipstick. See, just look at the packaging. It's amazing. And look at the lipstick. Wow, it's like a red bomb. But there's a very interesting story behind this lipstick. So after I ordered this lipstick, what happened that I was surfing YouTube and I saw video of some of the YouTubers who had bought the Masaba collection. So there was one YouTuber who bought this very lipstick, and she was giving a review on these on the Masaba collection lipstick. So she gave the review of this lipstick as well, and there in that review she told that this lipstick is not exactly red and rather it is orangish. And when I saw that video, I was like, oh my god, I couldn't believe what I did. I I like red lipsticks. Okay, I genuinely like red lipsticks, but there is a specific type of red that I like. I really like those dark bloodlet type blood. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, okay, yeah. So I like those blood red type of lipsticks that, those are like attractive, those look sexy, that kind of things. And I was like, oh my god, why did I waste my money on? And in the pictures that were there, on Nika, it seemed completely like somewhat like Ruby Woo. It was like that. So I was pretty confident when I was buying this. But finally, when this arrived and I opened it, I could finally take a sigh of relief that, oh my god, finally this is the right color. It is not orange at all. I'll show you all how it looks. Okay, so this is the kind of color it has. I wouldn't really say that it is blood red, but yeah, it is not orangish. It is reddish. It seems a little darker when you see it like this, but when you apply it, it does not seem that bright or maybe that dark. But yeah, I mean, it is fine. You might have to build it up a little if you want a darker shade, but I would definitely say that it is not orange. It is not at all orangish. That's a relief. Okay, so next is a lip gloss. This is by K Beauty. I always wanted to buy something from K Beauty. More importantly, because I love Katrina Kaif. She has been my favorite actress since I was a child. So yeah, I always wanted to buy something from her brand, and I got my eyes on this very lip gloss. This is a metallic lip gloss in the shade Unbeaten, and I honestly loved it. I found great reviews about it, and I was like, girl, I need to get this. I have used it a couple of times now, and I loved it. I love it. The shade is amazing. It looks great. Yeah, so this is how it comes. And the best part is that it is pretty pigmented. So so in case you want to maybe not make your lips very dark and give a little light color, then you may just apply a little bit and spread it all over your lip, and it will give an even tone, pretty color. So that's the best thing about this lipstick, which I'm really glad I invested on this lipstick, and I lips gloss, oh my god, on this lip gloss, and I love this. Next up, I have this contour mini bronzer. Okay, I have this Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder by Sugar. Again, love the packaging. I seriously love this packaging. Purple is also my favorite color. So this is how the bronzer looks from the inside. This is the shade, and it is a light brown. It is not very dark, which I'm glad. Yeah, okay, because of the sunlight probably you won't be able to see it on my skin, but I'm glad that it's not a very dark brown, because I don't really need heavy contouring on my face. But yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm looking forward to use this bronzer. Oh, get inside. Finally. Whew. Next I have this Black Magic liquid eyeliner by Nykaa. So yeah, this is a liquid eyeliner. My eyeliner bottle got over, so I needed a refill. This time I've bought a lot of Nykaa products, because I have personally not used Nykaa products. I have ordered Nykaa products from Nykaa before, but I have not used a lot of products of the brand Nykaa. I've ordered products of different brands, so I really wanted to explore how products of Nykaa are. Then I have this Perfect Match Primer by Calabar. As I told, I am exploring makeup this time, so I needed a primer as well. Yeah, I think there's nothing much to say about it. It's a primer. I haven't really used it, so I don't have a review or something for it, but I'm really looking forward. Whew, well then, next we have this Rock the Line Kajal by Nykaa. I use a lot of eye products, so my eye products are generally out of stock. So I need to refill very frequently. Next, I have this Master Chrome highlighter. Yeah, I have this metallic highlighter by Maybelline New York, and I honestly fell in love with this highlighter when I saw it online for the first time. I think it is amazing. It has such a nice golden color. I'll maybe add a clip of this so that you can see it. I haven't really used it so far, and it's even sealed right now. Yeah, it's even sealed. So okay, I'll just add a clip. But it has this beautiful golden shade, which is like something I love. I love gold, and I love glowy skin. Next, I have this makeup fixer by Faces Canada. So I haven't opened it so far. Yeah, so this is the Ultim. So this is the Ultime Pro makeup fixer. Yeah, big bottle. You know, I've not been into makeup a lot. I mean, I've always liked makeup, but I did not used to do a lot of makeup because I was more towards the thing like young children like us should not do a lot of makeup, and even my parents were like, come on, bachchi ho, abhi bachchi jaise raho, because you know, parents are not ready to accept the fact that their girls are growing up. So I wasn't having a lot of makeup products, but now since I passed 12th and I'm starting with college, so we have all grown up mentally, and yeah, I have finally been able to collect a lot of makeup for myself, which I can finally use, and yeah, I can try on new makeup looks. Next, I have this eyeshadow palette. This is the Creative Volume 1 eyeshadow palette by Revolution. Look at this beautiful palette. It looks so beautiful. I love the packaging. It has 24 shades, and oh my god, this is literally the first palette that I ever found on Nykaa, or for that matter anywhere, which had almost all the colors which I wanted in one palette. I mean, I wanted a palette which has a certain shades, but I did not want it to be extremely expensive or something, because as I said, I haven't been using makeup a lot, so I did not want it to be extremely expensive or something. But finally I found this palette, and this is beautiful. This is literally beautiful. I love all these shades. I think they are mesmerizing. That's the only thing I found maybe a little bad. Okay, not exactly bad, it's a very cruel word, but a negative point that I found about this palette was that it did not give a makeup brush. I really think that eyeshadow palettes and blush palettes should provide makeup brushes as well. So this is one thing maybe Revolution can think about it. Alright, so these are all the things which I bought, but since I told that it was a Pink Friday sale and there are a lot of deals and offers, so there are a couple of things which I got for free. So I'll show you all what all I got. So the first thing that I got for free is the sample of the MAC Strobe Cream. It is really tiny. It is just like a 6 ml strobe cream. Just look at how tiny this is, but it is a sample, so what else can I expect? I haven't really used a strobe cream before, so I'm really looking forward to using it, and maybe if I like it, then I can add it on in my makeup box. Then next thing that I would like to show you all is this Nykaa paint stick, which I got from Nykaa. This is in the shade Love Mashup. Okay, and this is in a reddish shade. Yeah, from the packaging it somewhere seems that it might be somewhere towards magenta or something, but no, when I opened it, it turned out to be a light red. It was kind of a orangish red, I suppose, but I quite liked this color when I used it. So yeah, I'm glad I did not get some weird color, because since it's for free I expected that Nykaa would be giving some of those shades which are not sold. So anyway, I'm glad I got a good shade. So those are all the makeup products that I bought and I got. Whew, I'm so tired of speaking. Time, please. Okay. So anyway, for the skincare, I think I'll have to make another video, so that this video does not get too long. I think it has already gotten pretty long. So stay tuned for the skincare haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked all the products which I have bought. In case you have used any of these products, then please give me a review of them, because I haven't really started using most of these things. Or if you have any suggestions for using any of these products, I would be glad to know them in the comment section below. And stay tuned for the skincare haul which I am going to give very soon. And that's it. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.